turn on your Gallagher HR5 tag reader, press the red power button on the bottom right-hand side of the reader. When it is on, your main menu will appear. Press the right arrow and go to the session menu. Click New Session. Here you can rename your session. I chose to rename my session to South Side. So the keypad works as T9 text, so you keep pressing the button to get to the next letter or to get to the number. Next you will press OK once you are done. Here you can pick Record Traits, Sort by List, Mothering, and Auto VID, which is Visual Identification. This is your dangle tag or brisket tag. Here you can select up to 9 traits. You can personalize these to your liking. Here I'm going to choose sex as the trait. So I'm going to scan the tag. And I'm going to choose that it is the dam. I will press Edit and go up to VID, which is again your brisket tag or your ear tag. So here I have chosen that it is a female, and I'm going to scan another tag, which I will put in as the offspring of 37E. So I'm going to again edit the visual identification. And here I have the dangle tag, the CCIA tag number, whose dam, and the sex of the calf.